Cynthia. Welcome to my kitchen creations. On today's episode, we're going to make carrot cake banana bread. Yes, I know. We're going to take the traditional carrot cake and banana bread and we're going to combine the two ingredients to make the most delicious carrot cake banana bread. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by grating our carrots, and I do not recommend the pre-shredded carrots because it will take longer to cook for this recipe and you won't get that carrot flavor you're looking for. And make sure when you're using a grater, you watch your knuckles so you do not cut yourself, guys, because this can be so tricky to do. So just take your time and grate your carrot. Now go ahead and measure your shredded carrots. And we're looking for about 1.5 cups. Now we're going to prepare our dry ingredients. As you can see, I have all my spices measured for you guys because I do not want this video to be long. I'm going to start with ground cloves. I'm going to add this to my flour, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt. I like to mix all the spices with the flour first before adding in my brown sugar. Now add in your brown sugar and give that a mix. Now we are done with our dry ingredients. Just make sure that you break up that brown sugar really well into the flour. For the wet ingredients, go ahead and mash your bananas into a bowl. And I'm just using a fork. Make sure your bananas are ripened before using them for this recipe. Whisk 2 eggs into a bowl and add it to your bananas. Add your applesauce. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Add your oil and your shredded carrots. Give that a mix. Slowly add in our dry ingredients. Just like so, and just make sure that you do not over mix this batter because we do not want our bread to be hard. Now for your loaf pan, I went and greased the bottom of this and added some parchment paper so I can remove my bread easily. So now what I want to do is add in my batter to it. Go ahead and give that a quick shake and just make sure that it is even in the pan. And make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to stick this in the oven and bake for 55 minutes or until my toothpick come out clean. Now for the cream cheese frosting, I'm using a food processor, but you can use a KitchenAid or a handheld mixer for this cream cheese frosting. Just use whatever you have. Also make sure that your butter and your cream cheese are room temperature because we want this to be super creamy. Go ahead and cream together your butter and your cream cheese. So this is how it's looking. Now I'm going to add my powdered sugar to it and continue mixing. This is how it's looking after mixing in the powdered sugar. Now I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to it. Just a tiny bit, and a pinch of salt to bring all those flavors together. Since I did not use salted butter for this recipe, I like to use unsalted butter for all my recipes because I like to control the amount of salt I add into my recipes. Okay, so my cream cheese frosting is ready, guys. Look how creamy it is. I like to go in and just scrape the side of my food processor and make sure that we got everything combined, and this looks really good. I like to go in and give it a taste just to make sure that it is up to my liking. So go ahead and give that a taste. So always taste your food just to make sure it is tasty. After 55 minutes, go in with a toothpick right in the center to see if your bread is ready. My toothpick came out clean, so I'm going to allow this to cool completely before adding on my cream cheese. Now that my bread is completely cool, I am going to add my frosting and finish it off with some walnuts, and you can also use pecans if you'd like. You can use your favorite nuts. The sky's the limit. Hello guys, so my carrot cake banana bread is ready. As you can see, it looks so delicious and I cannot wait to cut into it so I can show you guys. I love the end part. Oh, my house smells so good guys, and I cannot wait to dig in. I love the end piece of any bread, and this, my friend, is so delicious. It's so good. And the walnut on top, give it the perfect crunch that I need. So good. Thank you so much for baking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.